Hello dear students, today we are doing birds and their babies. So I'll tell you the names of certain birds and their babies. I'll also show their pictures to you. Now this is the first picture of the bird. This is called a duck. And what is a duck's baby called? Duckling. Duckling is the name of a duck's baby. In this picture you can see a duck and its ducklings. Now next is the picture of a hen, and a hen's baby is called chick. Now next is the picture of an owl, and what is an owl's baby called? An owl's baby is called owlet. O-W-L-E-T, owlet. This is the picture of an eagle, and an eagle's baby is called eaglet. Now you can see the picture of a swan, and a swan's baby is called cygnet. You can see the picture of a swan and its cygnets. In this picture also you can see a cygnet. Now comes the turn of our national bird, peacock. What is a peacock's baby called? Peachick. Peachick is the name of a peacock's baby. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and give your comments also. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and take care.